If you find you've lost your games in Windows 7, so you double click on the Game Explorer icon and you don't see any games in there, you need to turn it on within Control Panels. So if you left click, head over here to Control Panels. Now at the moment you're in the large icon view, so you need to click this little drop down arrow and just go to the category view, and then left click on this link, uninstall a program, and then go over to the left and you see turn Windows features on or off. You left click that, and what it'll do, it'll build up a list here. Just give it a little while to build up. Okay, you can see next to games there's no tick in that box, so you need to just left click and put a tick in the box and then click OK. It could take a few minutes just to do the changes. Once that's finished, you can close a window. Now if you double click on the Game Explorer, you just should see all your games there. There they are.